Hey legends, it is a Sunday afternoon and I've got some homework to do. Due to the time crunch, we're running out of time, still got heaps to do. So I'm going to attempt to build a shifter box at home on the dining room table while the misso's out. So let's hope I get this finished before she walks through the door. So how this is going to work, for those that don't know much about autos like myself, in normal operation, you've got three main solenoids. You've got low solenoid, high solenoid, and lock-up solenoid, which is all usually ECU controlled. In my case, I'm going to get power from the main relay, which is going to go into the shifter position switch. In first gear, power will come out, go through this relay. We'll talk about that a bit later, but it will just go up through solenoid 1. That's first gear. You put the shifter in position 2, power will come up here through these diodes and power solenoid 1 and 2. That is second gear. So you switch into third gear, that's 1 to 1, and power will now only go through solenoid 2, gives you third gear. Because these diodes are here, you can't get power back from the solenoid if I put them in the right way. And then obviously all the overdrive stuff is ECU controlled. Now in this case, I'm going to use the overdrive switch on the shifter. I'm going to put a lockout switch also in it just in case I accidentally hit the shifter button during a run, so I can lock that out. So power will go through here into this relay and turn power off from solenoid 2 and power the lock-up. So when you've got no power to low and high solenoids, that gives you overdrive, and then obviously power gives lock-up. So it'll go into overdrive and lock up the torque converter at exactly the same time. I'll only use this for cruising. The overdrive clutch packs, so there's only like 2 of them compared to 7 on the I'm pretty sure it was 7 on the other clutch packs, and also the torque converter isn't overly powerful either. Can't hold much torque, so hence the lockout switch. That will, like I said, cruising only. Now if we come over here, so when you're on the brakes at the starting line, you press this little switch, which will be on the dash. Actually, it'll be on the steering wheel, my bad. And it will swap power from low solenoid to high solenoid, which will give me, instead of being if I'm in first, pressing this button will give me third gear. That will allow me to, it should allow me to build boost on the line without pushing through the start line. That's the plan. Whether this all works or not, no idea. This is just sort of information I've got off the internet from Toy Mods, the Sloppy Mechanics Facebook page and things like that. I'm just sort of throwing 2 ideas together, and yeah, we'll soon find out if it works or not. Carry on. Now, I'm no electronics nerd. I haven't really played with PCBs and all that sort of stuff since secondary school, so this is going to be very ugly. So if you're into electronics, I apologise in advance. Yeah, this is... I'll just suck it and see. Just give it a try. Soon I can always bench test it, make sure powers are going where they should be at the right time, and yeah. All right, stay tuned and we'll give it a go. So this little switch is actually off one of my mum's old cars from the 80s. We used this as a start switch when her neutral safety switch buggered up in her old Mitsubishi Colt. So this will come in handy for a sloppy mechanics trans brake. Let's see if she works. Very nice. And there we have it. This is the shift box installed. It's I've just done a quick dodgy little mounter. I'll fix that up later. It seems to be working at the moment. I've done a quick little polarity check and it looks like it's going to work, so fingers crossed. So yeah, so if you like that little nerdiness content, hit like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.
Action!
Do I look like action?
No. You look the opposite of action.
Sloth.
Give us some enthusiasm.
Oh, I've got there is no enthusiasm in this building. Yeah, so if you like that, hit comment. No. And yeah.
Hit comment.
Hit comment and like. I don't know. Fucking. What are we doing?
So yeah, if you like that kind of thing. So yeah, if you've enjoyed this nerdy
Why don't
video.
you do the fucking outtake?
So yeah, if you've enjoyed this nerdy video.
Yeah. You do the fucking outtake, huh?